This equation can be solved just like solving radical equations because raising something to the 1/2 is the same thing as taking the square root of it. So to solve a radical equation, the first thing you want to do is isolate the root by subtracting 5 here from both sides. So I'm left with quantity x minus 5 raised to the 1/2, and that's equal to -3. Now we have to get rid of the root. Again, raising something to the 1/2 is the same thing as square rooting it. So in order to get rid of the 1/2, all I have to do is multiply 1/2 by its reciprocal, which is 2/1. So if I multiply this by 2/1, that eliminates this fraction completely, because a number and its reciprocal, when you multiply them, you just get an answer of 1. So if I raise the left side to the second power, I have to raise the right side to the second power. So on the left side, again, this simplifies just as 1, so you're left with x minus 5, and that's equal to -3 to the second power, which is 9. So from here, I just add 5 to both sides, and I get x is equal to 14. Now don't forget, with radical equations, you do have to check your answer to make sure you don't have an extraneous solution. So let's check x equals 14 by plugging in 14 for x. So 14 minus 5 to the 1/2 plus 5 needs to be equal to 2 if 14 is a true solution. So 14 minus 5 is 9. So 9 to the 1/2 plus 5 is equal to 2. So again, raising something to the half power is the same thing as taking the square root of that number. So the square root of 9 is 3. And 3 plus 5 is definitely not equal to 2. So in fact, 14 is not a solution. It is extraneous, so there's actually no solution to this equation.